Fix your hair.
There ain't no fixing this.
So we got here. I don't know where here actually is. It's like this little, I don't know, like park.
It's like a little village.
Little village. And hey, look, there's like a ropes course.
Yeah, and there's
It's like being on a cruise ship.
Paula Dean's Lumberjack show is right there.
Okay, I'm showing this on my front-facing camera, so it's kind of hard to aim, but you know. Anyway, we are about to eat at the
Smokey Mountain Brewery and Restaurant.
Yeah, Smokey Mountain Brewery and Restaurant. I'm assuming this is one of the places you saw.
Yeah, it had decent reviews, so I mean,
It's a brewery,
yeah.
so it's gonna have beer.
Well, that was my main reason for picking it.
At a minimum.
At this point.
So
After it took us 45 minutes to go
1.3 miles.
3 miles.
Well, I mean, it took us 20 minutes to get out of Walmart.
So I was like, you know what? We haven't eaten all day. We're getting hangry. Our patience is running thin.
Very thin.
And we're on vacation.
And we're on vacation.
So we need a drink.
So 40 minutes.
Not we need a drink. We deserve it.
It's getting close to need. It's getting there. It's getting there. So yeah, so we're sitting outside in this little park area waiting for them to text us about our dinner, and we'll get inside and we'll get some food and some drinks, and we'll show you what they have and tell you if you should come here if you're
Absolutely.
in Pigeon Forge. Alright, so we figured out this is called Lumberjack Square. And in addition to the ropes course, they have they have a zip line roller coaster. As you can see, they start off there. You climb up that tower, and then you come around, and they are just swinging from a harness. All right. Yeah, we'll come back around and catch them over here. That is pretty crazy. It's like a roller coaster meets zip line.
It looks so fun.
And they're gonna go right over my head. Log walking, you can try to run across the log. And there's the ropes course. It's a pretty cool little area. There's little shops and restaurants and whatnot around it. See, there's the leather shop. There's like a Birkenstocks. They got all kinds of little shops in this little village. Okay, so while we were waiting, we found a big menu outside. I'm going to show you what they got here before we get inside. Pause the video if you want to see it slower. Okay, we made it.
We made it. We're going to eat.
We're in. Alright, so we just ordered a appetizer of a giant pretzel.
Pretzel and beer cheese. I don't know if it's giant. I guess we'll find out.
Baked pretzel with beer cheese.
Yeah.
And then
a flight.
a beer flight. And
To share.
To share. To share.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she said that you can order as many or as little as you want, up to 10. So we ordered 7. We ordered a stout, a summer wheat, a porter, a red, a black and a pale, which was 7 out of 10. They had 10 because it's a brewery, so they brew their own. So we ordered 7 out of 10.
But the black is actually a brown.
Black.
It's an English brown.
Oh, okay. They call it the Black Bear Ale.
Yeah.
So it's a brown ale.
It's an English brown.
English brown. All right. So update, food, drinks, later.
Ready.
Eat. Let's go. All right, it's here in all its glory. All right, so what is it? Stout?
Stout, summer wheat, porter, red, brown, and pale ale.
Yum. Let's drink. Okay, so excited. It's finally here. Well, I say finally. I mean, it came quick. We're just hungry. Beer cheese, mustard, pretzels. Say that again.
The red is my favorite.
The red.
The red is my favorite.
Okay.
They're all really good except for the porter.
The porter.
The porter's not good. And
Yeah,
we're in agreement.
Yeah, we both agree we didn't like the porter.
Porter's not good, but they're all actually really good. I really like the red. And believe it or not, I like the stout.
The stout was actually really good.
It's really good and chocolatey. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm going to order.
Well,
Probably the red.
We gotta drink all these first.
Yeah, but between us both, this isn't that much.
Nah, we'll get through it. All right, so the flight's gone, as you can see, all gone, and we've moved on to full-size grown-up beers. What did you end up getting?
The red.
The red?
Yep.
And I got the brown, which is the Black Bear. As you can see, though, they are very similar.
Very, very similar.
In color.
The brown, or the Black Bear, as they call it, is a little bit fuller bodied.
Yes.
A little bit like hoppier, stronger. This one's a lot lighter to me.
Yeah, to me they were very close, but she's right. The brown is a little fuller bodied. That's why I guess I liked it, but I would have been 100% happy with either one of those. And then the sad remnants. One lonely pretzel left. I want to eat it so bad, but I've got this giant burger coming.
That beer cheese, the beer cheese is amazing.
The beer cheese is amazing?
It's amazing.
Okay.
It's like white cheddar beer cheese. It's amazing.
It is so good. As you can see. We had, what, 6 pretzels?
I don't know. I didn't count them.
I don't know. Go back, hit rewind on the video.
All I know is I was hungry and I was eating fast.
Yeah, we ate them pretty quick. So, all right, we got food coming though. Food's here. Oh my gosh, that is a burger. That is the Brewhouse burger. It's 2 patties, pimento cheese, American cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, bacon, and then I got macaroni and cheese, which appears to have some more of that beer cheese in it. What did you get?
I got broccoli with beer cheese.
Broccoli with beer cheese.
And a patty melt that has American and Swiss.
Oh, nice. So you're being healthy because you got broccoli.
Kind of. I'm balancing. I have a balancing act.
Unlike that gargantuan monster, look at my hands.
You're not gonna eat that.
I'm gonna try.
No, you're not.
Updates. I've got a problem.
It's done. The eating has been completed.
I don't know if I should be proud or ashamed. I ate all of my burger.
Yeah, not just the burger, the mac and cheese.
I ate the mac and cheese too. It was good. There was like a piece of onion I didn't eat.
Oh, really? I thought the plate was full.
No, I didn't. There was some of that red onion that pulled it off. She ate half her patty melt.
Yeah. And it was okay.
Yeah.
Patty melt.
She wasn't thrilled with it.
It was cooked well. It wasn't dry.
My burger had so much stuff on it that it was delicious.
But the beer cheese and the broccoli?
She said she would come back and just order like 4 orders.
4 side orders
of broccoli with beer cheese.
100.
All right, so we've got to finish our beers. and then grocery shop. I'm not gonna take y'all to do that. That's boring.
We all know what grocery shop is.
I mean,
We do it at least
Yeah.
once a week.
If you're wondering what a grocery store looks like, go down the road, take a look. So we'll check in later.
Yeah, maybe tonight. Next night.
Yeah. See, this is why we like taking the RV out. It's about 10 minutes to 9. Got the long summertime days. We got our nice creek we're sitting out looking at.
Can't really see it too well. We
Yeah.
can, but not in the video.
They can see it. Let me see. Where's my finger? Right there. There's the creek.
A babbling brook.
A babbling brook. Okay, I'm using a toaster box for a tripod since I didn't bring one.
Works.
Of course, you gotta improvise when you're RVing.
Yeah.
So we had a pretty good day.
We had a good day. It's been a long day. I'm tired.
It
I
has.
feel it.
Yeah. I mean, 3 hours traveling and then setting up, and then 3 hours to go to Walmart, which was what, 3 miles away?
4.8 miles away.
3 hours.
It wasn't really 3 hours, but it
was 2.
it was about an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah. We were inside for like, what, 5 minutes?
About 20.
20. Anyway, so tomorrow, we don't know what we're going to do because of the weather.
Yeah.
The forecast has gotten a little bit better. We're down like a 60% chance of rain.
You know, I'm not normally a breakfast person, but there are a lot of breakfast places in Pigeon Forge and the Gatlinburg area.
Yeah, Pigeon Forge is all about some breakfast.
And I'm really wanting that biscuits and gravy from that place right down the road. So we might at least make it out to get biscuits and gravy tomorrow.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, we're trying to plan on going into Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg on Monday and Tuesday with the hopes that it'd be a little less busy.
Well, yeah. And we only have a total of like 4 full days here.
Mm-hmm.
And we do want to rest while we're here.
Yeah.
So I figured we would do something for 2 days and we would rest for 2 days.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
We'll see. But I don't think we're going to do anything else exciting today, so
No.
I think that's going to be it. But, alright, well that'll do it for day 1. We will see y'all tomorrow.